Okay, y'all, we're gonna do a couple of little home projects today, and Ray actually brought me a part that I've been needing for ever since I've had the E-350 here, my 2001 E-350. Get down here, Ray, and show them what the problem is. See here, this has been cracked the whole time I've had the truck, so this is what I have to go through to get it open. So we're gonna solve that problem today. So we're going to basically take out these 4 screws here, Ray, and take this light out of the back.
Yeah, the license plate light and
the
the cable for the door handle.
Okay, well, let's give it a shot, buddy. I'm sure we can figure it out. And he brought me the new part here, brand new in the box, so should match right up. Even got the little keyhole for it, so I guess we'll have to pop that off too, won't we? Okay. Alright, y'all, let us get after it, and we'll show you the finished product. Oh, and I forgot one of the best things of all. When Ray got me my part, as you can see, it is a genuine Ford part. Alright.
I'll see how that cable goes into it.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing that on that other one either, but I'm sure it had some kind of handle where I think that'd be a requirement. Let's take this dude apart and see what we got, brother. Yeah, I think that whole thing broke off, Ray.
Did it?
Yes, sir.
Ready to go. Tired.
Alright. Okay. Looks like that's burnt.
Yeah, we need a roll.
We'll get one of them from AutoZone when we go out. Remind me to do it.
Should be a 194.
Is that what it is?
Should be.
Okay.
Or 168.
I'm gonna set it up in the front. We'll remember we got it. I have a lit up license
Your
plate.
socket be burnt, Fritz.
Is it? Mayor McToasty?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see that dude.
It's been hot.
I bet it was. None of these lights back here were working.
We could get one of these easy though. If we knew one of those, it would be hard to find. That's a common socket. I wonder if the bulb's working. I've been driving around with that license plate light.
There you go. I got it.
Yeah, it may be okay.
Yeah.
It's hot. See a number?
No, I ain't got my glasses. I can't see crap anymore, Ray. Uh-oh.
168.
Ooh.
It's 168.
Alright, we gotta move our door back over. Fritz got a little overzealous. Keep our shade intact. Let's, well, we got that in here. Ooh, there's some all in black ties we need.
Yeah.
Oh, and I got a sheet metal gauge.
All kinds of goodies down there.
Uh-oh. Yeah, that'll come in handy. What else we got in there, right? Footies. Of course, I only got one, so it ain't gonna help none. Oh, I got two. Yeah. What else? What else, Ray? Got a block of freaking wood. Okay. That's lovely. Alright, man, let's
There's that clip we gotta pull to get the lock cylinder loose.
Okay.
Just pull out with your finger.
this here.
No, I think Tommy said, let's see. I think we're gonna have to get that loose too. Yeah, because the washer's going to come out this way.
Okay. I wonder if I need one of those special clip tools.
think if we just like
Let me see it.
push up on that little thing right there, that bar will come out. And it'll be
Okay.
like a little pick or something. Little big screwdriver or something. Just push it up without it slide out. You see? I think we, of course, it may probably don't break.
Let me see the other one. Does this have this on the other one?
We're reusing this part.
We're going to reuse this part.
We don't have the slot cylinder or any of this on.
Okay, so we need to get this out.
Yeah, that has to come out. Tom said something about rolling it forward.
What we need to do is take this off first, then we can roll it.
Okay, yeah. That's what he was talking about, isn't it?
Alright, so how does this dude come out?
Looks like it just kind of slides in there, don't it?
Yeah, let me get on it right now. I see it. Shit. It's on a clip right here. It's clipped through here.
Clip?
Yeah, right here. So it has to pop off of that. See if we got that on ours. I guess we have this piece here. Yep, we got that piece right there. That's a piece of clips on. So I would think it just pops off of that. Just like that. But
So you're making video of the process?
yeah, I think you're supposed to.
Are you already filming?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's alright. But I think you're supposed to hold on to that thing, right? Hope it didn't go shooting somewhere. I guess we'll find it in a minute. Piece of cake.
Yeah.
Alright. I think it's give me an empty box right there, Ray. Bottom one. Down here. Thank you. This will be my new knee pad. You have to adapt. Okay. Oh my God, where'd it go? We may have to watch the video where I took it apart. Let's see. My thing rotates. Okay. Went like that, right? There it is. See, that piece there has to go down in this thing here, I think, right? Without. I think that has to ride on that because that's actually what unlocks the lock. Like so. Shit. Oh yeah, it's terrible over here.
Looks like it.
Okay. I wonder if we should try it.
Try the lock.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it locked now? Push it down.
Yeah. Huh? Alright, my brother Ray. I knew we could figure it out, buddy. Knew we could figure it out. Let's do this. Pull that for me. Let me see if I can find that thing again.
Right up there.
Dude, for the life of me, I can't. Alright, now, let's see. Like that. Oh, I'm a pro at it now, right?
I'll never have to do it again, though.
I hope not.
If you do, you know how.
Spoke too soon, Ray. There it is. Okay. Okay, brother. Okay. Alright, hold in on that, Ray. Got it? Might have to do some adjusting here. There we go. Your lifesaver, Ray. You don't know how irritating this has been. Almost as irritating as before you got my hinges up front.
Yeah.
But any time that thing was probably getting ready to break where I couldn't even get in it. And running a heat and air van where you can't get any equipment on it, it's kind of useless. We'll get that light while we're out at Johnstone tomorrow. Ray getting ready to get him some gifts, boy.
Yeah. Here's the light we're talking about.
Yeah. Okay.
It's done turned nice and silver.
What'd you say number was on that one?
168.
168. Okay, y'all, we got her locked, everything assembled, and Ray's putting plate on. They still had that tape on the inside. I guess it'll just push right on through it.
No, I tore it off.
Oh, you did?
Left it on the bottom. We could put 4 bolts on it.
No, that's why you. Okay, I seen tape on something. No, that's fine.
So the rain can't get through.
Probably cool to get some new bolts though. Those are kind of nasty looking.
Yeah. You could buy some new bolts and get that light.
Yeah.
That's what shiny new bolts. They're actually making rust on their light.
Can't have rust on my commercial plate, man. These also come in great as ashtrays. All right, Ray.
We could get 2 more bolts and
fasten her down big time.
that down all 4. So.
Okay. Remember, remind me to get those too. All right, y'all. We're gonna unlock it for the first time here. Oh my God! It even unlocks better. Let's see if we can open it with one finger.
Sure.
Oh my goodness! Original Ford parts. Thank you, Ray.
It's 2001 again.
Rock and roll, brother. I've got to show Mom now. This used to. All right, y'all. Now we're going to work on the Chrysler. First things first, though. Me and Ray are going to set us up some shade. It's freaking hot. Why work in the hot sun when you have tarps? And we have several. Alright. Let's see. The brown one's the big one, I think. Yeah. Okay. I got it. I got it. Yep. Okay, y'all, we've got our tarps up, our little desert safari storm here, and what we want to do, it's hot out here and we want it to be comfortable. Ray brought me my Ford parts so I could fix my my doors in the back here so they open and lock, and man, they're fantastic, Ray. I appreciate it, brother.
No problem.
And what'd you get us now, Ray? What's this?
That's the window regulator for the passenger front door.
Okay, and
that's a motor in case we need it, and it may just be the gear kit.
Gotta be nice if it's just it.
That's all it is. That's all we need.
So me and Ray, Ray actually got on his auto site, and he downloaded a bunch of this stuff for us so we can actually, you know, do it by the diagrams, the exploded diagrams and all that stuff. So let us get after it. We're gonna get our door panel apart, get the bezels off and all that good stuff, and we'll get right back to you. All right, y'all, our directions are saying that we need to roll the window down. Now I'm gonna roll it down and it probably won't come back up again, so hopefully we can figure this out. Hopefully I can. No. I don't think that. I think something's screwed up in that too. Yeah. Push down on the window. Push. There you go. All the way. You got it? Okay, screwdriver.
Right head.
This is the one I see first.
It says unsnap switch plate by lifting up at forward edge and disconnect wiring at quick disconnect.
Okay. I don't have a clue, but I don't think this will screw anything taking it off first, do you?
Nah.
Alright.
Unsnap the switch deal by prying, so it's going to come up.
Okay, pry it up a little bit. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, we got that puppy out, right? Okay. In my bag I got a magnet. Got a black end on it, right? Yeah. I probably have hard trouble finding it myself. Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, brother. Now, what do we slide this doodah forward?
Yeah, it says slide the inside handle bezel forward to remove.
Okay, now we got this crap.
Disconnect the wiring.
Okay, y'all, let's see if we can get this puppy loose. Okay. Alright. That's our what speaker?
Courtesy light here.
Courtesy light. Ain't that special? There's a flat on the other side of the Phillips. Alright. We have that. Get that out of the freaking way. Alright, y'all, we gotta hold it like an inch up so we can get to the motor and stuff. So I'm gonna pull out the chrome here, and that should hold her. Let me do one more just for safety. We're gonna have our hands in there. Safety first. Safety first, Ray.
That's not the game.
Wish we could have used that vacuum.
Yeah. We may get to it yet.
Yep. I gotta put it to use, John. I needed it when I was on that big ladder. Okay, y'all, we're looking at, what do you call that, the regulator gear?
Oh, the window motor gear.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like we got all the teeth on it.
Oh yeah, the regulator gear too. Yeah. That's what you're looking at.
Okay. Rub my hand on it, see if I can feel all the teeth. There ain't no teeth missing, right?
Oh, good on the regulator.
Okay. I bet it's the motor. Alright, got that.
It says use a slight rocking and twisting motion.
Itty bitty suckers, huh? Okay, Ray's getting the gear apart here. Oh, I'd say that's the problem.
Yeah.
Look at the teeth on that. Let's get a close up.
Yeah, they're gone. They're just worn away.
Mayor McToasty.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Plastic. Okay, y'all. Me and Ray opted to go ahead and use the new one for the simple fact. Show them those things, Ray. Those little doodahs that go in there. There's these little, I don't know what you call them, but these little like spinners or something that go in there with that gear. Well, the gear cavity up there is just completely full of it.
And what we thought was just grease is actually grease with the ground up bits of plastic from those.
Which are these doodahs.
Things,
so, not even gonna monkey around. We're just gonna put a new one in it. Thank you, Ray. All right, guys, say a prayer for old Fritta. If he can get this motor back in there. I got to get that gear back up in there on that, what do you call it, Ray, a regulator? Come on, baby. Work for daddy. Work for daddy. Come on, baby. Yeah, that'd be great. Right, thanks. Running out of hat cam time, guys. Keep your fingers crossed, brother. Line up here. Good to me. Y'all, we've got our motor back on here replaced, and what I've done is I went ahead and took the old motor and I plugged it back in to make, because on the new motor here I don't have a Molex plug and I don't have the pin remover and all that stuff. Need to get me one of those, but anyway, what I'm going to do is use some butt splices and use my Klein crimpers to crimp it together. But what I wanted to do was make daggone sure which wire was which wire. So I know I can look at this Molex plug, it only goes in one. I can look at this Molex plug here and it only goes in one way. And here's my green wire. Okay, there's my green. And I can trace this back up here. This is my green wire, and I have a green wire here. So I'm going to just cut this one first. And I know it's overkill, but I just don't want to screw up and hook it up wrong. All right, y'all. Let me take my dikes. Always 1 second, right? And I'll go ahead and just cut my green. And I'm ready to rock. Alright, I'll get right back to you. Okay, we're good to go.
Put it right there.
Alright, there's the old motor right. Okay. Alright, Ray, we're wired back up. You want to try the window now? Okay. Come on. Alright, brother, let's do it. Let's get some silicone on everything. Wish we had more silicone. Silicone the crap out of it. Let it. Don't film me now. Don't film me now. Okay, we'll get some more of that stuff too. I'm going to take her down a couple. Yeah, see, I got that silicone in this thing. Work that silicone in there. Come on down. Okay, Ray. All right, Ray. Do you think, brother?
Yeah.
All right. Tighten that screw. Yeah, tighten that screw right there.
I think it was that one right there.
No, remember it wouldn't come out.
Oh, yeah.
The carpet was holding it. Works.
Making sure.
Okay. Yeah, I think we did like this. I have to pull this up like this.
Set it forward coming out. So
Yep. There you go. Now you should have your screws right there.
I bet you do.
And then we'll put the bezel or whatever you call that thing, bezel.
Applique, I think.
Applique, isn't that marvelous? I think it's got like a lip on it, Ray. Let me pop it back out for a second. No. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's got to go backwards.
Yeah. There it is. All right, y'all. Me and Ray are just about wrapped up for today. Ray helped me out so much today. He don't know what it meant to me to get this. It's my new door here, but you know I keep opening it and closing it. I'm so happy with it. But it's just a piece of cake now. Voila. Absolutely. I love it. Appreciate it so much, Ray. Oh, it was irritating me bad. All right, y'all. Me and Ray going on a road trip. We got the AC going, but show them what we did with that window there, Ray. Ain't that something? Yeah, now Mama can roll her windows down or roll them up. Ha ha! We done hooked her up, buddy.